Helping a baby sleep faster can be a challenge, but there are several tips you can try to create a calming environment and establish a bedtime routine. Here are 10 tips to help your baby sleep faster. Set a consistent bedtime routine. Establish a soothing routine that includes activities such as a warm bath, gentle massage, reading a book, or singing a lullaby. This helps signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. Create a peaceful sleep environment. Make sure the baby's sleep area is comfortable, quiet, and dimly lit. Use a white noise machine or a fan to provide a consistent background sound that can help drown out other noises. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Keep a regular sleep schedule for your baby with consistent nap times and bedtime. This helps regulate their internal body clock and makes falling asleep easier. Implement a winding down period. Gradually decrease stimulation and engage in calm activities leading up to bedtime. Avoid stimulating activities or screens close to bedtime, as they can make it harder for babies to settle down. Ensure your baby is comfortable. Check if your baby's clothing is appropriate for the temperature and that their diaper is clean. Adjust the room temperature accordingly to provide a comfortable sleep environment. Swaddle or use a sleep sack. Many babies find comfort in being swaddled or using a sleep sack, as it mimics the feeling of being held and can promote better sleep. Use a pacifier. If your baby is receptive to pacifiers, offering one at bedtime may help soothe them and promote faster sleep. Provide a bedtime feeding. A full tummy can contribute to better sleep. Depending on your baby's age, consider incorporating a feeding session into the bedtime routine. Encourage daytime activity. Ensure your baby gets plenty of active playtime and exposure to natural light during the day. This helps regulate their sleep-wake cycle and promotes better sleep at night. Be patient and responsive. Babies may have trouble falling asleep for various reasons. Respond to their needs promptly, comfort them if they're upset, and provide reassurance. Over time, they will learn to associate bedtime with comfort and sleep. Remember, each baby is unique, and it may take some trial and error to find what works best for your little one. Consistency and patience are key when establishing healthy sleep habits. If you have concerns about your baby's sleep patterns or they're experiencing persistent sleep difficulties, consult with your pediatrician for further guidance.